Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new project called ALPHAFI Finance, okay? And as of right now, it's on pre-sale on Pink Sale Finance and it's gonna be there for the next 6 hours and 50 minutes, okay? And a good hint that this could be a really successful project is, they were looking to get 50 BNB and as of right now, they already have 188 BNB, okay? So you can see that a lot of people are interested in this project and this could be a really good hint that this could be really successful in the future, okay guys? So let me show what is this all about. First of all, this is their homepage. I want to show you, first of all, there's the white paper and this is a legit company, I would say, because it's not some offshore blah blah stuff. It's registered in Australia, as you can see here, yeah? And they have been KYC'd by Solid Proof and their contract has been audited, okay? And as you can see here, let me show you, no critical issues, no major issues, just one medium. I mean, you can have a look at this audit. Links will be in the description and so guys, yeah? And also on their homepage. And yeah, but actually I would say sounds pretty good or looks pretty good. So what is it all about? ALPHAFI, universe and metaverse. We are developing a system that ties the metaverse and the universe together. ALPHAVERSE, ALPHAPay, a secure cryptocurrency payment technology. So there's a huge, this really huge project with a lot of use cases. ALPHAVERSE, ALPHAFI Bank, the first decentralized exchange for Allverse, where customers can swap cryptocurrency with other cryptos, track portfolio, and provide liquidity to earn rewards. Alpha Coupon, every digital asset in Allverse should have value in our eyes. You can use ALPHAFI NFTs to claim the products from the real world. Really cool idea, guys, yeah? It will serve as a safe haven for innovation and exchange. ALPHAPay, by offering a platform for NFT exchange and real world product shopping, you can give users the finest experience possible as they explore the ALPHAFI ecosystem and connect the metaverse and universe, guys. And there will also be the ALPHAFI token. By offering rewards, the decentralized token promotes trading and hodling. So guys, you can see the partners here. Yeah, I mean, it's a really interesting project. They have NFTs and all of this stuff and you can use it. This brings together two worlds, like the real world and the metaverse, yeah? It's a cool idea, really cool idea. ALPHAPay, no annual fee, up to 50% cashback, safe and secure pay. Okay, guys? So here you can see the roadmap. And yeah, I mean, really, they are even registered in Australia. So you know where they are from and all of this stuff, yeah? Yeah, you can see here the white paper. There will also be, you see the bank, there will be staking, swapping, exchange, all of this. So guys, I mean, I would say this is really an interesting project. As always, no financial advice, but if you can get in this project at pre-sale, you could potentially make a big profit, guys, okay? Yeah, so no financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any of those projects, okay, guys? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments and see you.